Ever wonder why a financial app designed to help you needs to know so much about your finances? It feels a little counterintuitive, right? You're looking for a quick cash advance, a little breathing room until payday, and suddenly you're being asked to hand over the keys to your entire banking history. It's a question a lot of us have, especially when it comes to apps like Brigit. Why do they need to see my bank account? What are they even looking at? And is it even safe? These are all valid questions, and they get to the heart of how these modern financial tools work. The truth is that bank account information isn't just a hurdle, it's the engine that makes the whole system run. Think of it like a puzzle. Brigit isn't just giving you money out of the goodness of its heart. It's offering you a service based on a carefully calculated risk. And to calculate that risk, it needs to see all the pieces of your financial life. So, what are they actually looking for? It boils down to three key things: your income, your spending habits, and your account activity. First, let's talk about income. Brigit needs to confirm that you have a regular, reliable source of income. This isn't about judging how much you make, but about establishing a predictable pattern of deposits. They're looking for a steady paycheck, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This proves you have the ability to repay the advance. They'll look at the size and frequency of your deposits to understand your income cycle and determine an appropriate advance amount. Without this, they're essentially lending money to a ghost. Next up, spending habits. This is where things get a bit more granular. Brigit analyzes your transactions not to pry into your personal life, but to understand your financial health. They're looking for signs of stability and, more importantly, patterns of overdrafting or late payments. If your account is constantly dipping into the negative, it signals a higher risk. Conversely, if your spending is relatively consistent and you maintain a healthy balance, it's a green light. This analysis helps them decide if you're likely to be able to pay back the advance without putting you in a worse financial position. It's not about being judgmental, it's about being responsible. Finally, account activity. This is about the health and security of your account itself. Brigit is checking for things like how long your account has been open and if there's any unusual activity. A long-standing, active account with a predictable flow of money is a strong indicator of financial stability. They also use this information to detect potential fraud. By linking your bank account, Brigit can verify that you are who you say you are, adding a crucial layer of security to the entire process. It's important to remember that this process is all automated and secure. Brigit uses industry-standard encryption and security protocols to protect your data. Your information is not being looked at by a person, it's being analyzed by an algorithm. This allows for instant decisions and a streamlined process. They use services like Plaid to securely connect to your bank, which means they never actually have access to your login credentials. It's a read-only connection, designed to be as safe as possible. So, the next time you're asked to link your bank account to an app like Brigit, you'll know exactly why. It's not about being nosy, it's about being smart. It's the engine that powers the entire system, ensuring that they can provide you with a quick and safe financial boost when you need it most. It's about building a trusting relationship with a financial tool that's designed to help you, not just lend you money. Understanding this process makes it less of a barrier and more of a smart, secure step toward financial flexibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.